Hey everyone, this is Eddie and I'm here with my friend.
Hey guys.
And today I'm going to give you guys an advanced tip, okay? This is going to blow your minds, but you got to listen to me and apply this because so many of you guys get this wrong. I'm going to show you guys an advanced technique to the 1 hour essays. You guys ready for this? All right. The technique is called thinking like a bar examiner. You must think like a bar examiner. Now, let me tell you what that means. It means that you have to explore issues. Okay, now that sounds very simple, but let me give you some examples because many of you guys did this for the February 2018 exam. Okay, and of course, that was like a record low of bar passage as far as the rate was concerned. So, here we go. When they give you a scenario with facts and issues, they want you to explore more than one issue and more than one fact. Let's go to question number 2, which was constitutional law. Okay, now let's talk about the religion clauses. So what do you have? You have the establishment clause and you have the free exercise clause, and of course you could mix in strict scrutiny in there somewhere. Okay, for that particular set of questions, how many questions did you have? Okay, let's see. You had the 10 Commandments, which were displayed, and it was actually 3 that were displayed. And you had the book, and you also had the T. So how many major issues do you have? You have 3. Okay, so you have 3 major issues, and you have 2 religion clauses. All right. So what does that mean? It means that you can't use the establishment clause to explore all 3 issues. All right. So you have to think like they do. They're not going to say, hey, look, explore the free exercise clause 3 times or explore the establishment clause 3 times. Okay, they're not going to say that. And you should have been tipped off because there you had 3 major issues. And of course, there are only 2 religion clauses. So at that point, and of course, I did write a sample answer to that. You can see the video here. There's a link here at the bottom. But the point here is that whenever you see something that is not quite right, okay, for example, you have 2 issues and then you have 3 different scenarios, and then you have to explore your outline a little bit more, okay, and this occurs during the outline stage. So think like the bar examiners think. Let's do another example, right? Now let's talk about question number 4, which was criminal law and criminal procedure, okay. Now there you had a scenario where you could have said, hey, look, the exigent clause doctrine is going to be implicated here, and maybe plain view. And many of you guys use that for the 3 questions because you had at least 3 questions there. You actually had 4, but you had 3 questions that dealt with that particular scenario. So the bar examiners are not going to say, hey, look, for these 3 questions here, for the closet, for the medicine cabinet, and for the sealed envelope, we want you guys to use exigent circumstances and we want you to use plain view. No. Okay, no. When you see something like that, look at your outline carefully. Something is up. That's what I'm saying. Think like the bar examiners think because they want to trick you. So you have to anticipate that and you have to just relax. Okay, look at things clearly. Look at your outline and say, okay, look, they're up to something. Okay, I got this, and I'm just going to drag up the issues here. I'm going to drag out the facts here a little bit closer. Now, there is an example here of how I answered that question. Okay, so you might want to view that. So the point is, they do want to mislead you. Now, someone asked me, hey, Eddie, are they making these questions harder? And the answer is yes. All right, because right now you have, of course, you have 50% of the multiple choice towards your grade, and you have 50% of that consists of the written portion. So they are now making it more difficult to spot the issues. So again, think like the bar examiners think. So we hope you enjoyed this video. Until soon. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.